Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tequila cocktails at home easy guide. Gather tequila, fresh citrus, sweeteners, mixers, ice, a shaker, jigger, and strainer. Prep garnishes and chill glassware. Use measured pours and taste between adjustments. Learn simple syrup ratios, when to shake versus stir, and how to balance sweet, sour, and spirit for approachable, balanced drinks. In this video, I will explain how to make tequila cocktails at home easy guide. Use clear instructions for each recipe. Measure tequila, citrus, and sweetener. Shake margaritas with ice and double strain. Build palomas over ice and stir gently. Pour grenadines slowly for a sunrise layer. Garnish appropriately and serve in chilled glassware for maximum appeal and flavor. In this video, I will explain how to make tequila cocktails at home easy guide. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with budgeting for home bartending. Grab details in the description along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make tequila cocktails at home easy guide. Master shaking, stirring, and building methods. Chill your shaker and glass. Fine strain for smooth texture. Use fresh juice and small tweaks to sugar or lime. Take tasting notes to repeat successes. Practice makes consistent drinks and builds confidence for mixing for friends or small gatherings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.